Here's a 2016 Audi A3. From the beautiful exterior to the power and precision of the engine, this A3 is crafted to give you a luxury compact that makes a big impression. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, Bluetooth, leather bucket seats, auto shift manual transmission, power convertible roof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track points out, inside, the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Hurry in today for a test drive.
We're proud to be a 10-time winner of Audi's prestigious Magna Award. We are conveniently located at 170 Main Dunstable Road in Nashua, New Hampshire, off Route 3 at Exit 5.